Hello everyone. I, Dr. Monisha, Faculty Management Studies from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on the topic questionnaire design. Firstly, we will discuss the meaning of questionnaire. A questionnaire is a data collection instrument consistent of a series of questions for the purpose of gathering information from respondents. The questionnaire was invented by the Statistical Society of London in 1838. For designing an effective questionnaire, there are 7 steps. The first step is decide what information is required. The starting point for designing a questionnaire is to refer to the proposal and make a listing of all the objectives and what information is required. Step 2 is making a rough list of the questions that could go into the questionnaire. The aim at this stage is to be as comprehensive as possible. Step 3 is refining the question phrasing. The questions must now be developed close to the point where they make sense and will generate the right answers. Step 4 is developing the response format. In research, every question needs a response. This could be a pre-coded list of answers or it could be open-ended to collect precise comments. Step 5 is putting the questions into an appropriate sequence. The ordering of the questions is important as it brings logic and flow to the interview. Normally, the respondent is eased into the task with relatively straightforward questions, while the more difficult or sensitive ones are left until they are warmed up. Step 6 is finalizing the layout of questionnaire. The questionnaire needs to be fully formatted with clear instructions to the interviewer, including a powerful introduction, routing, and prompts. These are to be enough space to write in answers, and the response codes need to be well separated from each other so there is no danger of circling the wrong one. Next step, step 7, is presenting and revising. The final step is to test the questionnaire. It usually isn't necessary to carry out more than 20 to 30 interviews in a pilot study because the aim is to make sure that it works and not to obtain pilot results. In theory, the questionnaire should be piloted using the interviewing method that will be used in the field. Hope you have understood the topic questionnaire design. Kindly like, subscribe and share Technia TV. Thank you so much.